Hello friends, I am here Kripa Shankar once again with you. We would like to inform you that the content on studentsrunway.com is exclusively compiled for distribution solely on studentsrunway.com. You may use the content for personal learning or pass it on to your friends, but please do not use it for any commercial or institutional use without acquiring prior authorization. Any tampering of watermarks of studentsrunway.com or Krupa Coaching is liable for legal action. This is Krupa signing off. Thank you very much. All the best.
This is a picture of a coppice, C-O-P-P-I-C-E. A coppice or a copse, C-O-P-S-E. It's a thicket of shrubs, a thicket of small trees or shrubs. A thicket, T-H-I-C-K-E-T. Thicket means a thick growth of shrubs or small trees. So this is a coppice, a copse or a thicket, thick growth of shrubs. This is a coppice again. Some tall trees are there and a lot of thick growth of shrubs. This is the picture of a whale, and whales, as you know, are leviathans. Leviathan. A leviathan actually is a biblical monster, and maybe actually variously thought of as a reptile or a whale. Anything, a whale is a leviathan. Colossus, C-O-L-O-S-S-U-S. Anything huge or very powerful. Leviathan. Well, this girl, a model, is putting on a coquettish appearance. C-O-Q-U-E-T-T-E. A coquette is a flirt, F-L-I-R-T. A girl or woman who merely from vanity tries to attract men's attention and admiration. A flirt, that's a coquette. So coquettish behavior means very coy, flirtatious. C-O-Y, coy is a synonym. Coy means bashful and shy, primarily reserved and demure, D-E-M-U-R-E. And coy can be used negatively also. Coy can also mean, demure means shy. Coy can also mean affecting innocence, pretending innocence and shyness, especially with the intention of flirting or attracting the attention of the opposite sex. Well, this is another coquette, pretending to be shy and affecting innocence and trying to attract the attention of the opposite sex. This person is in a coracle, C-O-R-A-C-L-E. A coracle is a short round boat, usually made with animal skins or canvas, which is stretched over a wicker frame or wooden frame. Wicker, W-I-C-K-E-R. Wicker is actually a plant which has a flexible twig which can be woven together to make baskets or furniture. So wicker work or straw work, straw woven. So this is a coracle. This is a picture of a coral reef, R-E-E-F. A reef is a line or ridge of rock, coral or sand lying at or near the surface of water. That is a coral reef. Coral, C-O-R-A-L, coral is the hard, stony skeleton secreted by marine animals, and these are often deposited in extensive masses which join together and form reefs and atolls in tropical seas. Atoll, A-T-O-L-L, coral atolls are formed. Atoll is a ring-shaped coral island and nearly or completely surrounding a lagoon. L-A-G-O-O-N. A lagoon is a shallow lake or pond, especially one which is connected with a larger body of water, and an area of water enclosed by the coral reef is called a lagoon. This is a leaf which is cordate, C-O-R-D-A-T-E. Cordate means heart-shaped. These are corn kernels, K-E-R-N-E-L. A kernel is the grain or seed, the nut, the germ, the center, the root, the heart, the essence. So implied meanings are also there. This is the cornerstone of a building. Cornerstone. A stone that forms part of the corner of a building, and actually it's a foundation stone which is inscribed and laid at the ceremony that marks the beginning of the building. So cornerstone is a foundation stone, a memorial stone, or the starting point. Synonym can be keystone. Keystone. A keystone is the central topmost stone of an arch, and keystone means the one of a number of associated parts of things that supports or holds together the others. The main part or principle is called the keystone. So this is another picture of the cornerstone, the keystone, something that holds, supports everything else. These people are laying a cornerstone. This is a picture of a cornet, Cornet. A cornet is a brass instrument, something like a trumpet. This is a cornice. We came across this word again, Cornice. Earlier we came across. Cornice is a horizontal molding at the top of a wall. Horizontal molding at the top of a wall, and a molding means an ornamental contour given to the cornice. This is the picture of cornucopia. Cornucopia. A cornucopia simply means a symbol of abundance, but specifically in Greek mythology, just as in Mahabharata there is this Akshay Patra, in Greek mythology cornucopia is described as a horn of a goat that suckled Zeus. Suckle means breastfeed, Suckle. Zeus, Zeus, was the king of gods, Greek mythology. So a horn of goat that suckled Zeus, and it becomes full of whatever the owner wants, like the Akshay Patra. So cornucopia means overflowing fullness or abundance, symbol of abundance.
Hello friends, Kripa Shankar here again with you. We thank you for your interest in Kripa Coaching and studentsrunway.com. If you find our content useful, please like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we hope you give us a +1 on Google. You could also subscribe to our email list and be notified upon new updates. Thank you. This is Kripa Shankar signing off. Good luck.